welcome to another video. My name is Nigel, also known as a Lake Erie vlogger, and today I am out on Lake Erie. As you can tell, I am on the open water. But what did you just see as I came onto that little dock there? Let me just spin it around. The Algoma Sault is here, and I am in Nanticoke, which is just down the coast from where I live in Crystal Beach area. So I'm about 80 kilometers further west, and I'm down here to check out a ship that is actually here at Nanticoke, which is the big steel plant, which is just behind me over there. So let's have a little look around, and we'll get the drone up very, very shortly. I believe she arrived here late last night. The boom is extended right over the lake. So we'll have a little look around her, we'll get the drone up and get some nice shots. We all know the stats of this vessel by now: 225 meters long, 740 feet. Now, I don't know if those conveyor belts are running right now. I don't see anything coming off. So I don't know if they're finished unloading and they're waiting to leave. I have no idea. But anyway, let's find somewhere to stop and get the drone up. The water truck going by, keeping the dust levels down. I'm sure there's a lot of dust when it comes off these vessels when they deliver the coal and iron ore. What's moving, the ship or the dock? Oh, it's that thing. That thing is moving to the left. No, it's the ship. The ship's going back. I'm watching it. Yep, the ship is definitely, maybe I've got here at the right time, maybe they're going to start doing some stuff, or it's about to sail, one or the other. Actually, are all the hatches closed? I can't tell. So what we'll do, I'm going to hang around here for a little while, see what happens, see if that boom moves. And I can't see them loading stuff from here, surely it's just unloading. What do I know? We'll sit and we'll wait patiently. Here at Nanticoke, at the Stelco steel plant, with Algoma Sault. So upon putting the drone up, pretty quickly I was being attacked by several swallows who seemed to have took a fascination to the drone. So I had to do some quick maneuvers to get it out of the way and carry on recording. from what I could work out, it looks like aggregate. Could be wrong, someone correct me. But it looked like aggregate was being shunted along the conveyor belt and then being loaded into the ship. Yeah, that's all I can imagine it is, really. So it comes from all the way down there, all the way along the conveyor belt, all the way along, and into the little shaft up there, and it's dropped into the hold. And as we got here, we just saw the ship moving into position, moving back slightly. So I think when I got here earlier on, 4 hours ago, the front of the vessel was there, level with that wall. Alright, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was something different at long last, down here at Nanticoke, and the Algoma Sault loading stuff into its hold, and I'm sure then she'll be sailing off down Lake Erie, onto Lake Huron, and Lord knows where. So anyway, until the next video, stay safe. See you all very soon.